Hello students, grade 8 maths. In this video we are going to see the NCERT syllabus of grade 8. Chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. First, what is meant by equation? For example, let me take x plus 4. X plus 4, it is said to be the expression. It is said to be expression. An expression with an equal to sign forms the equation. For example, x plus 4 equal to 3. So this is said to be the equation. See, this is an expression. It is followed by an equal to sign. Now this whole forms the equation. In equation you will have two sides. This part is said to be the LHS. It means left hand side, and this part is said to be RHS. It means the right hand side. Let me take one more example. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. As you all know, this is the expression followed with the equal to sign forms the equation. And this side is said to be the left hand side, and this side is said to be the right hand side. This is said to be the equal to sign, that is equality. And the x term is said to be the variable. Here the x is said to be variable. So this is said to be the example for linear equation in one variable. You are having only one variable term. So 2x minus 3 equal to 7. This forms the equation of one variable. Now we are going to solve the problems using the first method, that is addition or subtraction on both sides. Exercise 2.1, solve the equation. This is the equation they have given. I am going to solve this problem using the first method, that is addition and subtraction on both sides. So x minus 2 equal to 7. Now I want to find out the value for this variable. As you all know, x is the variable. I want to find out the value for x. For that, I want to eliminate all these numbers. I need only the x value. So what is the first step to eliminate this number? Here you are having minus 2. If it is minus 2 means you have to do the plus 2. Minus means addition. So the rule is, if it is plus, you have to subtract. You have to take the reverse sign. If it is subtraction, you have to take the plus sign. If it is multiplication, you have to do the division. If it is division, you have to do the multiplication. These are the 4 rules. Just you have to take the reverse sign. So x minus 2 equal to 7. Now it is minus 2. So if I add plus 2, I can easily eliminate. So adding means plus 2 on both sides. Adding 2 on both sides. So this will become x minus 2. This, as you all know, this is the LHS. This is the RHS. X minus 2 plus 2 addition equal to, in RHS, 7 plus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled. If you are having same number with different signs means you can cancel that. So x equal to 7 plus 2, 9. So the answer is x equal to 9 is the answer. 6 equal to z plus 2. Here z is the variable. I have to find out the value for z. So I am having plus 2 here. Plus means automatically you have to do the subtraction. So that only I can easily cancel. So subtract 2 on both sides. So here also you have to subtract 2, here also you have to subtract 2. So 6 minus 2 equal to z plus 2. minus 2. What are the things you are doing in the LHS side? Same thing should be done in the RHS side also. So plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. Z keep as it is. 6 minus 2, 4. So you can write this also, Z equal to 4. Both are same. 4 equal to Z or Z equal to 4. Both are same. So answer is Z equal to 4. Next, 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. As you all know, x is the variable. I have to find out the value of x. So here I am having plus 3 by 7. Then what is the reverse form? Subtract 3 by 7 on both sides. So 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So plus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 will get cancelled. X equal to, as you have both same denominators, you can make it as a common. 17 minus 3 by 7. So 17 minus 3, 14. 14 by 7. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. So x equal to 2. So the answer of x equal to 2. This is the answer. Next problem. T by 5 equal to 10. So t is the variable. I have to find out the value of t. I want to eliminate this 5. See, it is divided by 5. As I said, division means multiplication. So multiply 5 on both sides. Whatever you are doing in LHS should be done in the RHS also. Both sides you have to do the same thing. So t by 5 multiply 5 equal to 10 into 5. So I can easily cancel. 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. Both will get cancelled. So t equal to 10 into 5, 50. So the answer is t equal to 50 is the answer. Next, 1.6 equal to y divided by 1.5. So y is the variable. I want to eliminate this number. So it is in division form. So what is the first step? Multiply 1.5 on both sides. So 1.6 into 1.5 equal to y divided by 1.5 into 1.5. So you can easily cancel this. 1.6 into 1.5, it is 2.40. So the answer of y is 2.40. Next, 7x minus 9 equal to 16. So x is the variable here. I have to find out the value of x. Here I am having minus 9. Minus means first step, add 9 on both sides. So 7x minus 9 plus 9 equal to 16 plus 9. Minus 9 and plus 9 will get cancelled. 16 plus 9, it is 25. So 7x equal to 25. I have to find out the value of x. But it is given as 7 into x. It is multiplication. If it is multiplication means the reverse form is division. So divide 7 on both sides. So 7x by 7 equal to 25 by 7. 7 will get cancelled. So the answer is x equal to 25 by 7. So answer is x equal to 25 by 7. This is the answer. So the method we have used is addition or subtraction on both sides. By this method we have solved this exercise 2.1 first part. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe my channel, eMath Tutorial, share my videos. Thank you.